And after that, when I came to my college space, attendance wasn't very compulsory in my college, which was a very big advantage for me. So I could explore like extra co-curricular activities everywhere, wherever I got in any opportunity, be it taking part in events,
Yeah.
be it hosting events, be it curating events. I always I was really into the event scenes and participating in every college festival.
Yeah.
So that really boosted me a lot. It boosted my confidence, and I started networking with people in different parts of Calcutta, like different colleges. So I used to take part in marketing events
Okay.
and elevator pitches, wherein I had to give an pitch, or let's say a brand was there and I had to put up a marketing strategy for that brand. So
Yeah.
uh, there was this friend of mine, and we were very famous during these college times, wherein we went and we won almost every college festival for marketing at that time.
Yeah,
Now,
just to add some context for the
huh,
listeners, I'll just briefly explain what an elevator pitch means for just those who don't know.
yes,
So, in
yes,
the world of marketing and like startups, there is this entire thing known as elevator pitch, which means that say you are into a building, into an elevator. Elevator basically is a lift, and you are into the lift with a
yes,
founder. Generally the lift takes around 15 to 20 seconds to go from any floor, like from A to B. It takes like 15 to 20 seconds for the lift to go from, let's say, 0 to the 10th floor or 15th floor, whatever. An elevator pitch stands for that. What if you get into a lift with a potential investor or a potential co-founder, and you have to pitch your startup idea to him in a span of 20 seconds.
right,
Like it's very easy to explain your startup if someone is sitting with all his attention in a table conference with you, and you have like 1 2 hours, and you can easily use all the powerpoints and projectors in the world to explain him. But it becomes really tough when you have to narrow it down in 20 seconds and explain it to someone in in a span of in a moving lift. So that's what an elevator pitch is called. But yeah, go on.
yes. So, I mean, that was a very interesting insight which you gave. I didn't have this idea that this is the real meaning of elevator pitch.